Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. Myself Akhilesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Java in Kali Linux. So for that you have to update, type the command sudo space apt-get update, and it will take some time to update. Wait until it get updated. And thanks for 100 plus subscribers, and I need more subscribers to my channel and more people to view my video. And I'm getting many comments that my video is helpful, so if you feel my video is helpful, please share this. After update is done, you have to type a command to install Java. So type the command sudo apt minus get space install space open jdk minus 10 minus jdk. 10 is a version of Java, and hit enter. Installation process will take some time. After that you can check the Java version by typing the command java space minus version. As I said, I need your support, so please do watch my video and share, and if you like, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, comment in the description, and the commands which are all I typed here will be available in my description. Thanks for watching my video.